Did you know that people who meal prep at least 3 times a week are 1.5 times more likely to achieve their weight loss goals? That's right. Planning and preparing your meals in advance can significantly impact your success. It's like having a secret weapon in your fight against the bulge. In this fast-paced world, we often find ourselves reaching for quick and easy food options, which are often unhealthy. Meal prepping helps you take control of your diet and make healthier choices. Meal prepping is not just about losing weight, it's about adopting a healthier lifestyle. When you meal prep, you're more likely to eat balanced meals with the right portions of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This balance helps regulate your blood sugar levels, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. It's time to ditch the excuses and embrace the power of meal prepping. Let's dive in and explore how you can make meal prepping a part of your routine. Let's face it, losing weight can be a real challenge. We've all been there, struggling with cravings, battling busy schedules, and trying to resist the temptation of unhealthy snacks. But here's the good news. Meal prepping can be your secret weapon in this battle. Imagine this. You're tired after a long day, your stomach is growling, and the last thing you want to do is cook a healthy meal. This is where meal prepping comes in. You open your fridge and find a delicious, portion-controlled meal ready to heat and eat. No more impulse decisions, no more derailing your diet. Meal prepping helps you stay on track by removing the guesswork from your meals. When you have healthy meals ready to go, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or order takeout. This means you're in control of your calorie intake, which is crucial for weight management. We get it. Life can be hectic, and finding the time to meal prep can feel impossible. But here's the thing, meal prepping doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. One of the biggest hurdles to meal prepping is feeling overwhelmed by the thought of coming up with new and exciting meal ideas every week. Let's face it, no one wants to eat the same boring chicken and broccoli every day. Portion control is another common challenge. We often underestimate how much we're actually eating, leading to overconsumption of calories. Invest in a good set of measuring cups and spoons to ensure you're portioning your meals correctly. You can also use portion-controlled containers to make your life easier. Practical meal prep tips: planning, containers, and variety. The key to successful meal prepping is planning. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals for the upcoming week. Start by browsing through cookbooks, food blogs, or your favorite recipe apps for inspiration. Once you've chosen your meals, create a shopping list with all the ingredients you'll need. This simple step will save you time and money in the long run. Invest in good quality, airtight containers to store your prepped meals. Look for containers that are microwave safe, freezer friendly, and leak proof. Don't be afraid to get creative with your meal prepping. Experiment with different cuisines, flavors, and ingredients to keep your taste buds excited. You can also try new cooking methods like roasting, grilling, or stir-frying to add variety to your meals. The ultimate meal prep strategy: a winning formula. This simple yet effective strategy has helped countless people achieve their weight loss goals and transform their relationship with food. The beauty of this strategy is its flexibility. You can adapt it to fit your dietary needs, preferences, and lifestyle. Start by choosing one day a week to dedicate to meal prepping. Sundays work well for many people, but you can choose any day that fits your schedule. Next, select 3 to 4 recipes that you want to prepare for the week. Aim for a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in each meal. Cook your meals in bulk, portion them out into individual containers, and store them in the fridge or freezer. Now, you have a week's worth of healthy meals ready to grab and go. Reaping the rewards. Benefits of meal prepping. The benefits of meal prepping extend far beyond weight loss. By incorporating meal prepping into your routine, you'll experience a ripple effect of positive changes in your life. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of calm, knowing that your meals are already taken care of. Meal prepping eliminates the daily stress of figuring out what to eat, saving you time and mental energy. With meal prepping, you're in control of your budget. Eating out less often and reducing food waste will have a positive impact on your wallet. This newfound financial freedom will allow you to allocate your resources to other areas of your life that bring you joy. Moreover, meal prepping empowers you to make healthier choices. When you plan and prepare your meals, you're more likely to choose nutrient-rich foods that nourish your body. Join the meal prep movement. Share, explore, and thrive. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, meal prepping is not about perfection, it's about progress. Don't be afraid to experiment, adjust, and find what works best for you. Meal prepping is a journey, and like any journey, it's more enjoyable when shared. Connect with others who are on the same path. Share your meal prep successes and challenges, and exchange tips and recipes. Continue to explore the world of healthy eating. There's always something new to learn, a new recipe to try, or a new health tip to discover. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment, not an expense. By prioritizing your well-being, you're investing in a brighter, more vibrant future for yourself. Start meal prepping today and experience the transformative power of this simple yet effective habit.